So today we are gonna be doing a workout slash dance party together. Do you wanna do a Grow with Jo workout together?
Yeah.
Okay.
And water breaks.
And with a water break. Kaizen's favorite part of the workouts is a water break, right? So today's workout.
Because I love water.
Yeah, he loves water. So today's workout does not include a water break, unfortunately, but you can have water whenever you want because you're gonna be dancing and playing and just enjoying the music, right?
Yeah.
So today's workout is 15 minutes. It's to enjoy and just thrive in the chaos. It's gonna be chaotic working out.
We got a lot of mess here.
Yeah, it's a bit of a mess and that's just how kids are, right?
Yeah.
Is Amaya gonna join us for this workout too?
Yeah, but I don't know where is she. Let me go get her.
Okay.
Just wait for me, okay? Don't start it yet.
Okay. So while he's going to get her, today's workout is gonna be quick. It's going to be very to the point. We're not gonna go crazy with anything. We're just gonna enjoy the music, do our best with what we have. I know for some of you mamas at home, it may be a challenge to get your workout in, and I'm hoping this workout is encouragement to you that we all struggle in different ways, but if you just give your best, give what you got, and you show up, that's what counts, and your kids will see you working out. Well, maybe they won't realize it right away, but they're gonna internalize it and realize that movement is such a healthy and important part of a good and enjoyable life. So without further ado, let's do this.
Promise you can never pay up. You won't lie, baby. Promise you can never. Real blood body. Promise you can never pay up. You won't lie, baby. Promise you can never. Real blood body. Promise you can never pay up. You won't lie, baby. Promise you can never. Real blood body. Promise you can never pay up. You won't lie, baby. Promise you can never. Promise you can never pay up. You won't lie, baby. Promise you can never. Real blood body. Promise you can never pay up. You won't lie, baby. Promise you can never. Real blood body. Promise you can never pay up. You won't lie, baby. Promise you can never. Real blood body. Promise you can never pay up. You won't lie, baby. Promise you can never. Promise you can never pay up. You won't lie, baby. Promise you can never. Real block body, promise you can never pay her. You old block baby, promise you can never. Real block body, promise you can never pay her. You old block baby, promise you can never. Real block body, promise you can never. Are you ready? Real block
Can you ever get it right?
Great job, everyone. If today's workout isn't what you expected, was a little bit more chaotic than you expected, or you were just challenged the whole way through, you were only able to do half of the moves, give yourself a pat on the back. That is progress. You showed up for yourself, you pushed yourself, and your kids later will thank you for this activity.
Can you put it like that, like me?
Yeah. Well, thank you for making this a part of their routine. Right, Kaizen?
Right.
Right, you did a great job. Thank you for working out with me.
you, Ma.
Thank you for working out with me.
Thank